Nobody goes to a football team and asks, okay, how much time you will take to make a first goal. Okay, so software estimations. As I have told you in many of my videos that software estimation is one of the biggest unsolved problem of software engineering. And partly because of our own mistake, because we want to estimate things based on assembly lines. And software development is an art. You cannot estimate things based on assembly line. I will say backward estimation is the best possible thing to do, even if it doesn't manage to solve all the problems which we have. Now, you will ask me, what is a backward estimation? Well, you don't need to ask. Backward estimation is one of the most intuitive estimations we do in our day-to-day life. For example, if we want to go to office at 8 or reach office by 9, we wake up at around 7, start from our houses by 8, in a general scenario. We have to go to a school, catch the school bus by 7:30 in the morning, wake up at 6:30. What we do? Backward estimation. Today there might be birthday of someone at your home and you have to start back home by 5. What you do? You make sure that you complete your things before 5. That's backward estimation. When you know the dates of your examinations, you plan accordingly. Backward estimations. You are planning to go for a movie. Let's assume that movie starts at 2 p.m. You will start around 1 or 12:30. Backwards estimation. You are in a mall, in a shopping mall, and you know that the mall will close by 8 p.m. You try to complete all your shopping before that. Backwards estimation. The question now we must ask, if we can use backward estimation in our day-to-day life in such an efficient and effective way, why not use it in our software development? And just let go of software developers from this particular idea called estimation of things. Everything has a D-day. It has to end by that day in some way or other. What happens that if you are not going to get things in some way, you will get things in other way and you will manage to get things done, ship the product. Backward estimation is much better than forward estimation, where you ask a person or a team, tell me when you will be able to do this. You ask other team when you will be able to do this. Then I add my own buffer and then I can tell I will be able to deliver this by this date. No. Whenever you get a problem, everybody has an intuitive feeling that approximately how much time it will take if you do not have an end date. If you have an end date, people will plan accordingly. We know we have been giving examinations all our life, right? We know when the exam is there and we plan accordingly, we prepare accordingly. Now, if you do a backward estimation, that doesn't mean you are working 24 by 7. Backward estimation means you will be working smart also along with working hard. Okay? And as I have said multiple times, numerous times, that software development is an art and there are multiple ways to create a piece of art. Somebody will take more time, somebody will take less time. The art can be created in multiple ways and multiple people will take multiple times. If you come up with a backward estimation, everybody will know what is the time we have to do this. And always remember, in all aspects of life, even in an assembly line or even in armies or even in games, everywhere, think about cricket, football, everywhere, everybody knows the deed time, the end time. Okay, and they plan accordingly and they work well with backward estimation. Nobody goes to a football team and asks, okay, how much time you will take to make a first goal. If somebody asks that, how amazing it will be. Okay, so don't do forward estimations, try backward estimations. So that's all for today. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. We will meet again. Until the next time we meet, good day, goodbye. You take care.